This video is how to make red shiso-shu. Shiso is a Japanese herb with a very different taste. Shu is a Japanese word for hard liquor. It's made with shiso and vodka. Has a beautiful dark pink color with a fresh taste like nothing you've had before. This would make a great present for Valentine's Day. This is what you need. You can buy shiso at the herb shops or Asian shop, and you can use any vodka you like. I'm using one from Tasmania. First, sterilize your bottles in boiling water. Wash the shiso, then drain the wastewater. Add 1 liter of filtered water into a pot and bring to the boil. Add the shiso into the boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the shiso and strain the water into a bowl or a pot. Add 400 grams of sugar into the shiso juice. Mix well and let it cool down. Once cooled, add 150 ml of apple vinegar into the shiso juice. Mix well and it will change to a beautiful dark pink color. Then add 700 ml of vodka and mix well. After that, pour the shiso-shu into your bottles and put them in your fridge to chill. Hello again. So easy to make and it's great for gift for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please click subscribe and like. See you next video. Bye!